Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. If you've ever lived in the Midwestern United States, you understand the necessity of a snowblower during the winter months. Today, we're with Quick Attach Attachments, headquartered in Alexandria, Minnesota, where they not only understand the need for snowblowers, but many other products as well. For 70-plus years, Quick Attach has manufactured forks, grapples, brooms, brush mowers, and more than 100 other attachments. They manufacture more than 10,000 attachments a year in their 68,000 square foot facility in Fosston, Minnesota. Quick Attach products and services are recognized in the industry to be of the highest quality, value, and performance. Their commitment is to provide you with quality products that have outstanding workmanship and are durable, long-lasting, maintenance-free, dependable, and reliable. Their attachments are universal and designed to fit most of the modern skid steers manufactured today. By purchasing their equipment, you will not be bound to any one skid steer manufacturer, making your investment interchangeable. Quick Attach is a leading industry expert who will give prompt service, professional treatment, and the courtesy and respect you deserve. You will find yourself dealing with credible and knowledgeable sales professionals who will help guide you to products that will best suit your needs and budget. Quick Attach is ISO 9001 certified to meet both customer and regulatory standards, including continuous improvement. Come visit an industry leader. See them at quickattach.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.